Previously on Gem State Getaways, we arrived in Boise and explored Bruneau Dunes State Park, located just an hour away. This exotic landscape is laced with sand dunes reaching upwards of 470 feet at their highest point. What an awe-inspiring way to commence this new adventure out west, encompassing over 1,600 miles around the Gem State. Our next stop in Idaho takes us an hour and 27 minutes southeast to Balanced Rock. Over 48 feet tall and weighing 40 tons, the wind-carved rock sits precariously on a pedestal only 3 feet by 17 inches wide. The parking lot is only a few hundred feet away from the rock. It is a quick but fairly steep climb to get to the top. This short hike is exposed the entire time, with small rocky outcroppings at the top, providing minimal shade. I would recommend wearing a hat and bringing plenty of sunscreen. It is also a great place for dark sky photographers and a must-see destination in Southern Idaho. The nearby Balanced Rock Park is an excellent spot for a picnic or camping, located just down the road from the popular formation. The beautiful Salmon Falls Creek Canyon encompasses numerous campsites and hiking trails within this lush volcanic landscape. I hope you all enjoy episode 2 of my travel series, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, just a quick roadside stop on our way to Twin Falls. The beautiful fossil beds over here. Fossil bones of zebras, beaver, otter, pelicans, and other water birds are found in sediments left from a 3.4 million year old pond on the bluff across the river. Lava flows pouring out over the plains on this side met and dammed up sedimentary deposits washed in on the other side of the Snake River, making lakes and swamps. Here, the river divides these two important geologic settings, formed at a time when the climate was wetter and the plains were tree-dotted grasslands where zebra-legged horses used to graze. Greetings everyone from our next stop in Idaho. We are at the famous Balanced Rock, which is a unique rock formation. It's perched on a hill up here. Look at this. There it is. Kind of reminds me of Africa. Looks just like it. Yeah, or South America. So there's a little trail that you could take to go all the way up here to get a better look. So that's what we're gonna do, guys. Alright guys, still making the ascent up here. Oh my god. Where do we go? Really? We did it, guys. We made it to Balance Rock. Check out how majestic this thing is. Super incredible. Let's go try to get a little closer. I thought that car was gonna pull in. Here. Wow. You actually can climb all the way up if you want. Oh. Lizards. After enjoying the views from the top of Balance Rock, we packed up and headed back downhill and continued with our scenic drive through this volcanic canyon. Our next stop just down the road at Balance Rock Park features a 0.9 mile out and back hike with dramatic views of this lush landscape.
This is the campground at Balance Rock where we're at right now.